New this evening in a recent move, the FDA revised the authorizations for 2 monoclonal antibody treatments used to treat COVID-19. Wait 31's Brittany Harry is live in Huntsville after speaking to a local doctor and health officials about this change in treatment. Brittany.
Well, Dan, the FDA says they made this decision because data shows that the treatments are highly unlikely to work against the Omicron variant. Now, of course, we know that the Omicron variant is the dominant variant right now in the U.S. And meanwhile, the doctor I spoke to, he says the FDA's move is the right one.
We've given 3,000 monoclonal antibody treatments since last summer. And during the Delta wave, we know it was very effective.
A couple of monoclonal antibody treatments are not as effective against the Omicron variant, according to the FDA. That's why the decision was made to limit its use to a patient who has likely been infected with COVID-19 or exposed to a variant that is susceptible to these treatments.
I think it is concerning, and it really, really emphasizes that we need for people to do all they can to try to not contract COVID.
Dr. Karen Landers says though the FDA's announcement comes as no surprise, it's still alarming.
The challenge is that the therapeutics that remain available, certainly when we're talking about the sotrovimab, it's not as ample as we would like for it to be. In fact, it's actually in very short supply, along with the other antivirals that are available, but again, in very short supply.
Dr. Stephen Wardehoff says he believes the FDA's decision will open the door for further treatments against COVID-19. Right now at Synergy Wellness, they are offering sotrovimab. That's not a monoclonal antibody that was included in the FDA's announcement. It's also the antibody treatment now most recommended as it remains active against the Omicron variant.
Remdesivir, which has only been given in the hospital so far, has just been approved for outpatient therapy. And whereas the monoclonal antibodies reduced hospitalizations by 70%, remdesivir can reduce hospitalizations by 87%.
And here at Synergy Wellness, they say that they're looking forward to being among the first here in Alabama to supply remdesivir too. They're also still actively doing COVID testing here and have been seeing a lot of people that have been coming here to get tested. But for now, reporting live in Huntsville, Brittany Harry, Wait 31 News.